Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will be going through the amazing snowstorm that we just went through. I'm being sarcastic, it was pathetic.
I think the snow is starting to pick up now. I can already say that the roads are really slippery, and yeah, people are leaving early from work. And it's just 3 p.m. I hate this weather. I hate it. Goodness. Oh my goodness. You see outside, Victoria? Oh my god, be careful, Mama. Oh, take care. Oh, it's doing so much. It's so bad, you literally can't see anything anymore. The visibility is pathetic. I don't think I'm going to work tomorrow, like seriously. This is bad. This is seriously bad.
Driving back home was really pathetic. I slipped multiple times in the middle of the road. I would turn my steering wheel to the right, the car would go to the left. At a point, I literally had to park the car on the side, take a deep breath, and then slowly navigate my 3-minute route, which took me almost 20 minutes because it was that slippery. It was a very bad ride home.
I seriously don't know if I want to go to work tomorrow. It doesn't look like I'll be able to go to work tomorrow. They're predicting it's gonna continue until tomorrow. So
for dinner, I decided to make something really hearty. Chicken quarters from my fridge cleaning video. I used them to make the chicken soup. Lots of ginger, garlic, onion, carrots, and just salt and pepper for spices, and celery salt because I don't like real celery in my soup.
it is 8 o'clock right now, and it looks so bright up, but I swear it's 8 o'clock and it's still snowing. It is freezing outside.
To thicken the soup, I used some cornstarch. My husband really loves soups to be really thick and gravy. I did add some macaroni to it because soup doesn't really fill up your stomach, so the macaroni really helps. Next day we woke up in winter wonderland, and I think most of the people had their days off from work. A lot of kids were playing, parents were playing outside, but me and Victoria, no, we did not. We were home. I had to work from home, and Victoria could skip her daycare and she could spend some time with me. After some time, we had some bananas. There's really nothing to do when it's a snowy day. We can't go outside. We're just stuck. And Victoria, I gave her some of my bangles and she played with them at night, and that's how the day ended. And then 2 days later we had another storm, another moment for me to fall down in a ditch. I did not fall in a ditch, but the roads were really slippery. And another trip to the daycare, another fun experience of Victoria experiencing snow for the first time. I think she really liked it. If you stay in Canada, you have to like snow. There's no other option. And I hope you like this video, and I will catch you up hopefully from a sunny side soon. Bye.